Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create professional looking videos with Pictory AI. Make sure to follow all the steps I will show you guys in this video. So let's just quickly get into it. Open up Google Chrome and search Pictory AI. Go to the official website. Here on the top right, you will see free trial. Go and click it. You guys here might need to sign up first. I'll give a link in description. You guys can go and check it out and sign up from there. And once you have signed up, this kind of web page would appear here, and now it will provide you different options from which you can create different kind of videos. Now here, if I go to script to video, I have to provide a script. Here I have given some sample text, and I will go and click proceed. Before proceeding, you guys can check these options out as well. Click on proceed. It might take few minutes to create the first scene of the video. Here you guys can see the first scene of the video is created, and it will provide you with different options like an editor. You guys can go and edit everything you want in this scene and create different kind of scenes and combine them to make a proper video. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.